Beautiful Saturday here on the coast of California along Highway 1. We are at one of my favorite beaches, and it is my first time taking this thing off-road. 2,200 miles on the odometer, so I'm not really pushing it like crazy, but these kiddos are handling this terrain, the sand and the rocks, no problem. My dad right there. Do some video here in a bit. Driving through. It's my cousin Andre. 7.3 diesel. Really clean inside and out. Yeah. I'll let my dad drive. We're on 4 high.
Газ сбрасываешь сразу.
So the Excursion is on a little bit of ball tires, having a little struggle here. Let me get out, я поснимаю. Закрой мое окно. These tires aren't all that great, but still chugging away. My 2018 3.0 is handling, this thing is handling way better than the one I had here on stock tires and wheels. Those kiddos make a huge difference. We might have to do some pulling here. Excursion's free. Here's my dad living his best life. It's handling so much better than my 2018. "2018 sat on its belly a few times on this beach. Yeah, well, it only weighs 5,000 pounds. I mean, things made out of aluminum. Yeah, Excursion I think is almost 9,000 pounds when it's a diesel. The last time I had my 2018 here, I left the sunroof open while off-roading and it got a chuck full of sand in there. It took me about 9 hours to take the roof apart, clean the rails, get all the sand out and re-lubricate it and reinstall the glass. dealer refused to touch it, which is understandable. My nieces and nephews, hi guys. And we're here. Oh, my dad's gonna go that way. So here we are all the way down here. It's absolutely gorgeous here, guys. This thing is a beast. Alrighty guys, I'm not going to be doing too much crazy stuff off-road on this one right now. I don't want to push it. I also don't have any straps with me in case this thing does get stuck. And I'm not sure if anyone else on this beach has one either, so definitely don't want to risk it out here. I think I got like maybe half a bar of reception out here. The beach is starting to get pretty full as well, but thanks for watching. If any of you are considering this tile and wheel setup, I can say over stock. I mean, this is kind of a no-brainer, but this thing performed exceptionally well. I'm super happy. Basically got through anything we threw at it, at least for today. It wasn't much, but truck didn't have any temperature or anything like that issues at all. Didn't get packed with sand or anything except, you know, a little bit right here, but that's about it. Thanks for watching.